The former deputy director of the de facto Polish embassy in Taiwan has become the latest official accused of sexual assault. According to the accuser, the district court in Taipei refused to file a criminal case, saying her actions were not consistent with a sexual assault victim. Inspired by Taiwan's current wave of sexual harassment allegations, the woman has taken to social media to tell her story. The accused, Bartosz Ryś, is a Polish diplomat but does not have diplomatic immunity as Taiwan and Poland do not have official relations. In response to the allegations, Ryś has reiterated the district court's decision to dismiss the case. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs says they respect the decision of the district court.
如果日后司法机关需执行后续跨国司法作为，外交部将积极协助配合。
Our reporter Eric Tsai spoke to Taiwanese lawyer Sunny Lin to learn more about the challenges of filing a sexual assault or harassment lawsuit.
Are there any challenges that victims face when looking to file a sexual harassment or a sexual assault case?
The biggest challenge we often see is the lack of evidence. According to a statistics gathered by the government of Taiwan, the proportion of acquaintance rapes surpasses 90% out of all the filed sexual assault cases. Moreover, sexual harassment and sexual assault committed by an acquaintance usually take place at a private property, such as an apartment of a friend. Since there is usually no CCTV footage or witnesses, it is hard for the victims to prove what happened.
What kind of evidence is usually needed for a prosecutor to file a criminal case for sexual harassment or sexual assault?
The testimony of the victim is needed. Besides this, physical examination reports, interaction with the sexual offender, and reactions of the victims are also usually used in those cases. Due to objective evidence usually being lacking in a lot of sexual assault cases, the testimony of the victims becomes very important. However, the legal profession's understanding of the sexual assault situation can be very insufficient, and they may still process certain stereotypes. For example, the victims may not fight back and run away immediately due to the shock response, which also called freeze response, which often happens in the real crime scenes. Like the victim will get shocked and they cannot react immediately.
In this case with Lai, she stated that the prosecutors found her actions to be not consistent with a typical sexual assault victim. What is the legal standings for this?
According to the Facebook post from Lai, the prosecutor questioned her testimony by not fighting back right away and dismissed her file. Victim stereotypes are often used to rebuke the testimony of the sexual assault victims. However, there is obviously no correct response in those cases. Everyone can act differently. So there is no perfect victim, and to ask the victim to all be the same is not realistic.